said the best is really going to be where you want to focus on those quality names. But you mentioned financial services and the capital markets. David, that's where the business has been. Look at the IPO calendar. Look at the number of SPACs that have gone public. Today, private jet company Wheels Up will join a long list of companies going public. I want to get your take on the IPO landscape. Here's Kenny Dichter, the CEO of Wheels Up. He's going to be ringing the closing bell today when he takes his company public, and he told us how business was doing when he joined me in that exclusive last week. Watch.
Yes, private travel is booming. Our first quarter, we had a 68% revenue growth and 56% new member growth, and the business, it's the roaring 20s as it relates to hospitality and travel. All of the public information that you glean from the Deltas and the airline industry and the TSA scans, meets the occupancy at hotels. Private travel's right in there.
So we'll see how Wheels Up trades today on this boom in business. What's your take on the IPO boom?
No question, Maria, this has been a record-breaking year for IPOs. I mean, we're seeing $135 billion worth of IPOs in 2021 alone. You compare that to the 5-year average of about $50 billion. I mean, that's a substantial increase. I mean, last week, the July 4th week, was the busiest IPO week since 2004. 14 different companies raised over $100 million. So, I mean, these numbers are just, it's almost fascinating to see. But if you look at a company like Wheels Up, I'm excited about a company like that. I mean, if you look at it, if you're buying it based on today's revenue, you're probably paying a slight premium for it. But if you look out to 2025, because I look at Wheels Up as a growth company, it's trading about 1x EV to sales. If you look at relative to its peers, if you look at a Joby and an Archer Aviation, they're trading at 6x and 2.4x EV to sales respectively. So I think you're getting some really good value with a name like Wheels Up. So, and I don't know if you've flown domestic recently, but it's they pile you on these planes like cattle. It's a nightmare to fly domestically. I think private travel is going to be a much more commoditized opportunity for most buyers over the next 10 years. So I think a company like Wheels Up is going to be a great market to look at, a great stock to capture some of that market share.
Yeah, I agree with you on that, because people's habits are changing now post-pandemic, and these companies are making it more accessible by lowering the price in order to travel privately. David Nicholas, Jack Ablin, Keith Fitzgerald, a great word on Wall Street, gentlemen. Thank you so much. Good to see you all. Have a good day. Much more.